Okay, in this video, let us discuss about the sign convention for lenses. So lenses are basically of two types, convex lens and concave lens. So this is our principal axis and this is known as the optical center, and these are the focus f2 and f1. Similarly, this is your concave lens, optical center, and this is our principal axis. Now the first rule for sign convention is all the distances are measured from optical center. So this is our optical center. All the distances should be measured from this optical center. Similarly, this is optical center. सारे के सारे distance यहाँ से नापने हैं. Here you can say the starting point of it is here. So this is our starting point. So this is the first rule, that all the distances are measured from optical center. So the second rule is all the distances which are in the direction of incidence are taken as positive and vice versa. We know that we preferably take the object on the left side. So if a light is coming from this direction, suppose this is your object and the light is coming from this object, this is called as a incident ray. So whatever the distance which are in this direction are taken as positive. Suppose you are sitting on this optical center and you are measuring the distance of f1. So you have to move from this O, starting point is O. You will move from O to F in this direction. So the direction of incidence and this one are in same direction. So then this distance is taken as positive. Similarly, if you are measuring the F2 distance, so from the starting point, that is O, you have to move from O to F2. So here you are moving in opposite to the direction of incidence. So I will take this distance as a negative one. All the distances which are in the direction of incidence are taken as positive, and all the distances which are in opposite to the direction of incidence are taken as negative. Similarly, here also, if you want to measure the distance, we generally take the light is coming from the left side. So this is our incident ray. It is an incident ray. So if starting point is optical center, if you want to move from O to F2, so you are moving in the same direction. So this distance is positive. If you are moving from O to F1, then this distance is negative, because you are moving opposite to the direction of incidence. This is direction of incidence and this is you want to measure. So both are in opposite direction. So it is negative. Now the third rule is all the distances which are in upward direction to the principal axis are taken as positive and vice versa. Mean to say that if this is a principal axis and if you are moving in upward direction, then this distance is taken as positive, and if you are moving in a downward direction from the principal axis, then this distance is taken as negative. Similarly, here also, if you are moving upside, then it is positive. When you are moving in a downside, then it is negative. So this is your all about the sign convention for the case of lenses. Okay. Now let us discuss about the lens formula. Lens formula is basically the relation between the object distance, image distance and focal length. So let us first discuss what is object distance, what is image distance and focal length. See here, this is our convex lens. Suppose I am keeping my object, this is my object. I am placing this object between 2f2 and f2. We know that when the object is between 2f2 and f2, your image will be formed away from 2f1. So it is away from 2. This is our image. So this is our image, and if you place this object in front of lens, then this image will be formed. Now the distance of object from the optical center. We know that all the distances are measured from the optical center. So the distance of object from the optical center is known as object distance. And the distance of this image from the optical center, so that is this much, image distance. Distance of image from the optical center is known as image distance, and it is represented by V. Here it is represented by U. And the focal length is a distance of focus from the optical center, either side. It can be OF2 or OF1. So this term is known as a distance of focus, principal focus from the optical center is known as focal length. Similarly, for this case also, for the concave lens, see here, if I place object in front of concave lens, your image always be formed between f1 and optical center. So the distance of object from the optical center is known as a object distance, and it is represented by U. And the distance of image from the optical center, it is represented by V. And the focal length, distance of focus from the optical center is known as focal length. So according to the lens formula, the focal length, that is 1 upon f, is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where f is a focal length, v already we know it is the image distance, u is your object distance. So this is a lens formula. Now let us discuss about the magnification. Magnification is basically the ratio of height of image to the height of object. This tells us that the height of image is how much times the height of object. Means जो इमेज की हाइट है वो ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट से कितनी बड़ी है या कितनी छोटी है. So the magnification is a multiplication factor. Now let us see in this diagram. So I had took, this is my object and the image is formed away from 2f1. The height of object I take it as a h, and height of image I took it as a h dash. So our magnification becomes, I represent magnification by small m. So it is a height of image, that is h dash, divided by height of object, that is h. So how it is related with the object distance and image distance? From the diagram you can see here, the distance of object from the optical center is known as object distance. It is represented by u, and the distance of image from the optical center is known as image distance. It is represented by v. So if you take the ratio, object is related with the u and image is related with the v. So here also it is equal to v upon u. So this is your magnification in term of object distance and image distance. So this is your all about this much. Thanking you.